Don't think otters are just cute and small. Think again. These Amazon giants are anything but ordinary. Giant river otters are the largest otters on Earth, up to 6 feet long. That's taller than most sixth graders. Their chocolate brown coats shine in the sun, and each otter rocks a unique white throat patch, like a fingerprint for otters. They're not loners either. These playful carnivores live in family groups, sometimes up to 20 strong. With webbed feet and powerful tails, they zoom through rivers, chasing fish, crustaceans, and even small caimans and anacondas. Communication? Oh, they've got it covered, with high-pitched screams, whistles, and more. Sadly, these river wolves are endangered, mostly from habitat loss and hunting. So next time you think of otters, remember the giant river otter, the playful, powerful king of the Amazon.